Okay. Hey guys, Jim Mader here from Jim Mader Homes. I'm so excited to introduce to you guys my friend and new buyer's agent for Jim Mader Homes, Krista Parks. Krista, say hi.
Hello.
So we are really excited to be teaming up, and we're going to help and serve as many clients as we can in the coming year in 2022. And our heart is to take really, really good care of everyone, our past clients, current clients, and future clients. But I just wanted you guys to meet Krista and just find out a little bit about her. So I'm going to ask her a couple questions. So Krista, how long have you lived in the Coeur d'Alene area?
Well, I was raised in Sandpoint, North Idaho, basically my whole childhood, but I've lived here in Coeur d'Alene for 9 years, almost 10 years.
Yeah. And when did you get into real estate?
8 years ago. Yeah. Middle of 2013.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about helping buyers and sellers in real estate?
So much. I think it's such a complicated process, and obviously, you learn so much as you go along. And so I like kind of the relief that people feel, whether it's the buyer or the seller, when they kind of understand how the whole process, they kind of see the beginning and the end and the middle and how it works, and they just get this sense of like, oh, it's not, you know what I mean? I understand it now. And also at closing, when especially with buyers, when they come into their new home and they're all talking about how they're going to decorate it, and it's a huge part of life, and it's exciting.
Yeah. So what's like maybe a couple things that you really enjoy about helping people with their real estate needs? What do you really enjoy about that?
I'd say just getting to build relationships, honestly. And I know that can sound kind of cliche, but that's what it is for me. And I'm not a salesperson. The homes sell themselves. It's really finding that match,
Right.
And building a relationship, being someone that they can trust, count on, ask questions, and, the knowledge source for that particular area of life.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's why we're going to do really well together, because Krista's desire is to just be a servant and to take really good care of her clients and all the people that come her way. So we're looking forward to 2022, and we just wanted to say hi and introduce Krista to all of you. And we're so grateful again for all of you out there who have been our clients and the ones that we're working with now. We just appreciate you all so much. And we want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas.
Indeed. Merry Christmas.